Forget GoPro and DJI, this Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is on another level. With insane 8K pro grade AI and stabilization that's straight out of a movie set, it's not just an action cam, it's the action cam. With an incredible 180-minute battery life, it outlasts the GoPro Hero 12 Black and DJI Osmo Action 4, which only manage 150 and 160 minutes respectively. Plus, its 157-degree field of view lets you see more of the action. What's more, the Ace Pro 2 packs in an AI assistant and boasts improved low-light performance, setting it apart in a crowded market. While the GoPro excels in hyper-smooth 5.0 stabilization and DJI hits high frame rates with 4K 120, the Ace Pro 2 takes your creativity to new heights. Alright, now that we've got the basics down, it's time to dive into what makes the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 a game changer for creators everywhere. Hey, it's Mark here from MJM Tech. Quick shout out to all of you who keep coming back to watch our videos. If you're enjoying this content, take a second to hit that subscribe button. It's just a small click, but it means the world to us and helps us keep bringing you the latest tech breakdowns. Thanks for the love, and now let's get into it. With social media exploding and audiences on the hunt for the next mind-blowing experience, flat, boring footage just won't cut it anymore. You're scrolling through TikTok and it's like a visual buffet. Creators are unleashing jaw-dropping 360-degree shots that pull you right into the action. You can almost feel the energy, the excitement, the vibes. It hits you. You need that kind of magic in your content if you want to stand out from the crowd. But what if there was a camera that could capture every angle, allowing you to tell stories like never before? Enter the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, designed for creators who want to elevate their storytelling game. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 retains its sleek design but packs thrilling upgrades. The flip screen now shines at 2.5 inches, enhancing your framing experience. Its legendary collaboration with Leica continues with the Summarit lens, coupled with a robust 1.3-inch sensor for breathtaking 8K capabilities that will leave viewers spellbound. But the real game changer? Flow state stabilization is back, along with the revolutionary 360-degree horizon lock. The feature guarantees a perfectly aligned horizon no matter how you twist or turn your camera. Say goodbye to tedious edits and hello to seamless, professional-looking footage right out the gate. Low-light performance was already a standout feature of the Ace Pro, and with the Ace Pro 2, it's taken to a whole new level. Not only does it capture more light, but the image quality is sharper with significantly less fuzzy footage. This impressive enhancement is powered by Pure Video technology and a cutting-edge 5nm AI chip which utilizes advanced computational power to optimize your footage in real time. During my tests, I noticed a bit of noise while recording, but the final output is remarkably noise-free, delivering stunning clarity even in challenging lighting conditions. For all you adventure junkies out there, the Ace Pro 2 has your back. It's still waterproof right out of the box, diving down to an impressive 39 feet, or 12 meters, perfect for those spontaneous pool parties or beach days. If you're planning to explore deeper waters, you can grab a dedicated dive case that lets you go down to 196 feet, or 60 meters. How cool is that? Plus, here's a game changer. The lens cover is now removable. If you accidentally scratch it during your adventures, you can easily swap it out instead of sending the whole camera back to Insta360. Just remember, with this new feature, you'll want to double check that the lens cover is securely in place before you hit the water. Dive in and capture those epic moments worry-free. With dual AI chips, it ensures superior image quality that adjusts on the fly. The Pro Imaging chip automatically enhances your footage based on what you're shooting, so you can focus on capturing those epic moments without stressing over post-production headaches. And speaking of editing, the 5nm AI chip is a game changer. It takes the hassle out of post-production by auto-editing your clips, making it super easy to get polished results. Plus, you can add stylish overlays through the Insta360 app, turning your already awesome footage into something truly spectacular. But hold up, because there's even more to unpack. Let's check out how this powerhouse can totally transform your filming experience and take your content to a whole new level. All your favorite features from the first Insta360 camera are back and better than ever in the Ace Pro 2. You've got a bunch of shooting modes you can play with. Capture jaw-dropping 8K videos at 30 FPS for that ultra crisp detail, or go for 4K slow-mo at 120 frames per second to make those action shots pop. Need to showcase those bright sunny vibes? The 4K at 60 frames per second active HDR mode is perfect for making your daytime scenes look absolutely stunning. And when the lights get low, the Pure Video tech keeps your footage sharp and clear. Plus, if you're all about efficiency, the Ace Pro 2 has quick presets that let you dial in settings in a heartbeat. Feeling extra creative? You can save up to 20 custom presets to capture your unique style. Say goodbye to those frustrating battery woes with the Ace Pro 2. It's equipped with a fast charging 1800 MHz battery that lets you shoot longer and get back to capturing moments quicker. No more missing those epic shots. Plus, there's a dual battery bundle available for those of you who really want to keep the creativity flowing. Just a heads up though, the bundle doesn't come with a charging hub, so you'll need to charge your batteries one at a time while they're in the camera body. But here's the cool part. You can juice up the battery from 0 to 80% in just 25 minutes using PD power. That's a total game changer. I put it to the test by recording 4K video at 24 frames per second with a full battery, and I managed to capture an impressive 1 hour and 37 minutes before it ran out of juice. So whether you're filming an all-day adventure or just hanging out with friends, the Ace Pro 2 has got your back. When it comes to weight, the Ace Pro 2 is pretty lightweight, tipping the scales at just 177 grams with the battery and 142 grams without it. That's not a lot to fuss about when you're out filming. However, it's worth noting that it is slightly heavier than some of its competitors, so if you're super particular about gear weight, that's something to consider. But honestly, when you're getting this kind of performance and versatility, a few extra grams are a small price to pay for epic footage. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is now available for purchase through the Insta360 web store and various other online retailers. There are two bundles to choose from. The standard bundle, priced at $399.99, which includes the camera, a wind guard, a microphone cap, one battery, a standard mount, and a USB-C cable, and the dual battery bundle at $419.99, which offers the same items but with an additional battery for extended shooting. Keep in mind that neither bundle comes with a memory card, so make sure to grab a microSD card, compatible with up to 1TB, to get started right away. The Ace Pro 2 is completely priced against other action cameras like the GoPro Hero 13 Black and DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, with the DJI option being around $50 cheaper, giving you some extra cash for accessories. Now let's be real, every camera has its quirks and it's essential to be aware of them so you can make the best choice for your needs. First off, the upgrades, while nice, might not be enough to convince users of previous models to switch. And while the audio quality has improved, it still struggles in extreme conditions, plus you'll need to manually reconnect your wireless mic every time you turn the camera on. Definitely a hassle. At 177 grams with the battery, it's a bit heavier than some competitors, which could be a drawback if you're after a lightweight option. The price? It's justified by its features, but budget-conscious creators might find it a little steep compared to other action cams on the market. Now let's talk about that AI. It can sometimes over-enhance facial features, highlighting wrinkles in 4K and 8K footage more than you'd want. The default sharpness settings are also cranked up a bit too high, making your footage look overly processed, and once it's recorded, you can't dial it back. And while 8K video sounds impressive, the file sizes can get pretty hefty. For most users, sticking with 4K is likely the smarter move. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And of course, ring the bell so you never miss an update. Catch you in the next one.